Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel 50 Ideas. 50 Ideas is YouTube channel where you can find ideas about garden plants, furniture DIY and craft designs and decorative ideas. So subscribe our YouTube channel 50 Ideas. When it comes to designing or updating a bedroom, there are a variety of ideas and styles to choose from. One popular style is the minimalist look, which emphasizes clean lines and a clutter-free space. This can be achieved by using neutral colors, simple furniture, and minimal decor. Another popular style is the bohemian look, which incorporates bold colors, patterns, and textures to create a relaxed and eclectic vibe. Color is an important element in any bedroom design. Neutral colors such as white, beige, and gray can create a calming and serene atmosphere, while bolder colors like navy, emerald green, or rich burgundy can add drama and depth to a space. Accent walls or colorful bedding can also be used to add pops of color without overwhelming the room. Furniture selection is also key in creating a comfortable and functional bedroom. Choosing a bed that is the right size and style for the space is important, as is selecting nightstands, dressers, and wardrobes that provide ample storage while fitting in with the overall aesthetic of the room. Seating, such as a cozy armchair or chaise lounge, can also be a welcome addition to a bedroom. Lighting is another important aspect of bedroom design. A mix of natural and artificial lighting can create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Overhead lighting can be supplemented with bedside lamps or floor lamps for added ambience, while dimmer switches can help create a relaxing mood for bedtime. Accessories and decor can add personality and interest to a bedroom design. Wall art, such as paintings, photographs, or tapestries, can be used to create a focal point or add color and texture to the room. Plants and other natural elements, such as a vase of fresh flowers, can also add life and vibrancy to the space. In summary, bedroom ideas can vary widely depending on personal preferences and the desired style. However, incorporating color, comfortable and functional furniture, proper lighting, and interesting accessories and decor can all contribute to creating a relaxing and inviting space to retreat to at the end of the day.